Our next song is Hashivenu, which I have a confession, I'm not Jewish. But this is our Jewish song for the night. We have two guys in our crew that are Jewish. So a little bit of a struggle, but I'm just gonna. So I looked up the lyrics to Hashivenu. There are many, many translations, but the one that I found that I liked the most. Turn us to you, O God, and we shall return. Renew our days as of old. So here we go, Hashivenu. Thank you.
I got like one brother, like old too. Get out there. Did he?
Hashivenu.